Why do 90% of InShot users add music to their videos? It's simple, fun, and makes your content pop. First things first, open up InShot and start a new project. Tap Video and select your clips. Hit that green check mark to import them. Now, head to the music options by tapping the musical note icon at the bottom. Here's where the magic happens. You've got choices. Tap Tracks for InShot's music library. Browse, download, and hit Use to add it to your timeline. Prefer your own tunes? Tap Imported, find your file, and tap Use. Or extract audio from a video by selecting Extract Audio from Video. Trim it, and you're good to go. Adjust and edit your music by tapping the green audio track. Change the volume, add fades, split, duplicate, or delete. Finally, play your video, tweak the music until it's just right, and tap the check mark to finalize. And that's it. Your video is now music ready.